channel. Such a pleasure to have you tuning in for one of my projects. Today I'll be making a glam wall decor. I'll be using a turkey tray from the dollar store. I'll be using my diamond bling wrap and also some self adhesive mirrors and some bling flowers wrap, glue gun, and my scissors. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some bling in there's some little pieces like the pattern of the tray. I'm gonna put some bling in those creases. I've gone ahead and pre-cut my bling. Hope everyone is having a blessed day. After putting on all to the side, this is the final touch of putting all the bling wraps to all the pattern of the turkey tree. And my adhesive mirror, I'm gonna put a little hot glue so that it stays down. I'm gonna put it in the center. I'm gonna put my flowers, my flower bling, all of it around the circle. I'm going to put some of the flowers bling around the mirror in the center. I'm going to use 4 to the 2 larger sides and 1 to the smaller sides. Just to cover the edges of the mirror so that it can be safe if someone is touching it. When you're finished, you're gonna have to get some of the glue off because the glue tends to stick to the plastic. But here we go. Wall decor out of a turkey tray and some bling wrap. I want to thank you all for joining me for another one of my projects. It has been a pleasure. Appreciate you all. God bless you.